This is going to be kind of a crazy video, guys, because I am going to do it on my phone because it won't let me do it where I can get on my screen for some reason right now. So let's look at the Bio Interactive on your computer. This is the link that I've posted to your assignment. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, actually hit Launch the Interactive, and it brings it up. And then you see this bar right down here in the bottom corner that says Ancient Earth. So you're going to click on it, and it takes you to the Precambrian period. So you're going to take this silver ball here, and that lets you slide it down to go to the different time periods. So we're going to go all the way down here to the very beginning. So this is the very beginning of time. And you see up here you have your time, and it says 4,520 million years ago. We have our atmosphere. There was 0 O2, and the carbon dioxide was at 111,768 ppm. And we have the length of the day. There's no data, so that's what we would put there. And then I'd come back down here to the silver ball, and I would go up to the end of the Hadean period. So now I'm at the end of the Hadean period, and I am going to write down all the same information that I just went over with you. And then you're going to just keep scrolling this up. So now I'm going to the end of the Archean period. Then I'm going to take it up to the end of the Proterozoic period. And the cool thing about this, and which I wanted you guys to see, is if you click on this globe of the Earth, you can rotate it, and it shows you where the different land masses were at that particular time period in the Earth's history. Okay? And then we click on the Paleo Earth bar, and that takes us to start on the Paleozoic. So right here, I'm at the end of the Proterozoic, the end of the ancient Earth. And then you're going to look at your table. Let me see if I can pull up that table for you guys. All right, so here we have it. So I have the time actually where you need to take your slide already down here for you. So what you're going to put in here is you're going to put the number of O2, the CO2. Ooh, what did it do? And the day length. That's all that you're going to be putting in for this, okay? And you're going to do this for both ancient Earth and Paleo Earth. So go to the times that it has here on the side for you, and then you're going to look at this interactive to where you can make the slide go up and get it as close to that time that I have on that chart for you, and then write down all of this information that is up here. So your atmosphere and your day length. And then please feel free to rotate this and see what the Earth looked like at this time period. And you can go all the way up where we have it at the end of the Neogene, and which is where we are now. So here we have the beginning of the Neogene, and which is roughly about 20 million years ago. So we can see how Cairo is a little bit underwater. If we look over here, the United States has pretty much made its shape. However, Florida and most of the East Coast is underwater. It's really cool to see what the Earth looked like at that time period. So if you have any other questions, and if you want to look at any of the other times too, please feel free to do so. I just wanted to give you something that was a little bit more fun and that you weren't going to have to work a little too hard. It'll give you a little bit of a break with all of this. So let me know what you think. Bye.